This video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add or insert page numbers on a file you're working on Microsoft Word. Simple and easy. So this is a 11-page file I'm working on for tutorial purposes, and I have no page numbers. So let me show you guys how to do this. It's simple and easy. On your home tab here, you move to Insert, which is the next tab, next ribbon, anyhow you call it, and you can see page number here. Let's tap on that here. And now let's try to choose any of these options. So the page number on top, I don't like it that way. Page number at the bottom, and at the bottom here you have a lot of options. You can choose the middle, you can choose at the side, you can choose at this side of your page. You can see this here, this. So I think this is more okay for me. So I choose at the bottom in the middle. I tap on that, and you can see it has taken effect. And the page has been numbered. Good. So what you need to do is close header or footer to close it, and you're good to go, and you have your page numbers there. That's it on how you insert page numbers on your Microsoft Word file. Simple and easy. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove this page numbers you've added on your Microsoft Word file. Simple and easy. So if you're new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.